In this video, I'll guide you through how to secure Protonmail. We'll go step by step through the essential settings you should know. So by the end, you'll understand where to find the key security options and what they do. I'll keep things simple and clear so you can follow along even if you're new to Protonmail or email security in general. First, open your browser and go to protonmail.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your account using your usual credentials. Make sure you're on the official Protonmail website and that your browser shows a secure connection with the lock icon in the address bar. This helps ensure you're not accidentally entering your details on a fake or phishing site. Once you're logged in and looking at your inbox, you'll need to access the settings. Look for the gear icon, usually located toward the top right of the interface. This gear icon is your entry point to everything related to customization and security. Go ahead and click the gear icon to open the settings menu. After clicking the gear, you'll see a panel or drop down with some quick options. For what we're doing, we want the full range of configuration choices, not just the basics. So find and click on the option labeled All Settings. This will bring you to the main settings dashboard for your Proton account, where you can manage everything from appearance to advanced security. Once you're in the full settings area, look for the section called Security and Privacy. This is where Proton groups the most important tools for protecting your account and your data. Click on Security and Privacy to open that section. Take a moment to look around this page. Here you'll usually find options related to two-factor authentication, session management, and other protection features. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with these because this is where you'll come back whenever you want to tighten your security or review what's enabled on your account. Within the Security and Privacy section, locate the option that mentions Proton Sentinel. Proton Sentinel is Proton's advanced protection layer designed to add extra defenses against suspicious login attempts and targeted attacks. If you see a button or link that says Upgrade to enable Proton Sentinel, click on that. When you click to upgrade, Proton will guide you through the process of enabling this protection. Depending on your plan, you may need to move to a paid tier that includes Sentinel, follow the on-screen instructions carefully, review the features that are being added, and confirm any changes. If a payment or plan change is required, make sure you're comfortable with the details before you proceed. Once Proton Sentinel is enabled, your account will benefit from stronger monitoring and additional safeguards behind the scenes. This doesn't replace good habits like using a strong, unique password and enabling two-factor authentication, but it does add another important layer of defense. To recap briefly, you went to protonmail.com, clicked the gear icon, opened all settings, navigated to security and privacy, and then selected the option to upgrade and enable Proton Sentinel. With these steps, you've taken a meaningful step towards securing your Protonmail account and keeping your private communications better protected.